is up, guys? Today is Social Media Secrets Day. So, gone are the days when you can spam the crap out of Facebook. Or are they? So, I'm going to try and break down Facebook and Google and what I can for you to my best of knowledge. So Facebook more or less is people who are doing impulse buys. So if you're selling something, it's for people who impulsively want to buy your product, or that's what I've gathered anyways. So I upsell fun things. I do flashy videos on Facebook. My bottle flipping, I throw that out there. I have pictures of me doing fireballs. I show my beautiful garnishes, like candy garnishes and Caesar garnishes with all kinds of beef jerky and cheese on them. And people are like, oh, that Caesar garnishes, who does those? Or candy garnishes? Okay, so, and they mentally think, okay, Christmas parties. We want this guy for Christmas parties, and they'll remember that, right? And so, maybe on your ad you can throw Christmas party in there and kind of throw that idea into their head. So Facebook, impulse buys. Google is more of a, I need this thing and I'm going to search you out. So if you're not ranking high in your Google pages, you are going to want to do AdWords. I'm not the best at these, and I'm kind of new to them, but I know that all summer long, the ads got my rentals out quite a bit. So with Google, the AdWords, people are going to Google to find something specifically. They're not impulsively shopping, generally speaking. They want a tent, so they're going to look up tents. Tents in Saskatoon, tents in Calgary, tents in New York. And then you want yours to pop up. You want your ad to pop up. Ideally, you want to naturally rank in the Google listings, but that's something that I can't really coach you on yet. Moving on. So, gone are the days when you can spam the crap out of Facebook. Or are they? So, you do not want to end up in Facebook jail. I have never been to Facebook jail, thankfully, because I am the spam king. So, I don't know. Some people think that's a bad thing. Some people think it's a good thing. Myself, I think that if people don't see your ads, how can they book you? So I have a few methods that I do to make Facebook ads work. I have Facebook ads, but then to make free ads on Facebook work. So the first thing that I do religiously, this goes for bartending, photo booths, and rental company, is join wedding buy and sell groups. The referral groups, there's all sorts of them, and you will get in touch with brides. They will ask you questions. You can choose to be a mentor. You can press, so there's different buttons. There's selling stuff. There's discussion, there's mentor, depending on which Facebook page you go on. So say if I'm going into a buy and sell group that has all these options, you want to post in discussion. Discussion isn't going to get you too big of red flags when you put your website name on there. If you do post for sale with a dollar amount and then you post your ad, that's generally where Facebook is going to flag you, and they are going to make your website non-existent on Facebook. Also, guys, try not to use duplicate pictures when posting in for sale or marketplace, because Facebook will pick up on these duplicate pictures and they will flag you for that. That has worked for me in the past, unless Facebook changes their algorithm. So I don't even know how long this video will be good, because they are always trying to beat people like me and you who are trying to beat them. So it's about bending the rules. Somebody else posted a video about bending bending the rules. And so maybe this is relevant.
Moving on.
Whenever someone adds my businesses to LinkedIn, to Facebook, to Instagram, I instantly send them a templated message, but I try to make it as personalized as possible. So it'll have the basic information. It'll be named specifically to them. I might even look them up and see what they're all about, and then ask them a question about what industry they're in, just so that they know that I'm not that I'm taking the time for them, right? They'll only take the time for me if I take the time for them. So, and they have already requested my friendship, so they want to learn a little bit more. So take advantage of that. I don't get a gig every day from these connections, but gigs do come from them. I mean, I've been doing this for 7 years, and LinkedIn has a lot of business professionals. So if you're looking for business professionals, corporate events, well, LinkedIn is a place where you don't want to miss out.
Just kind of look at my my phone as I'm just sitting here in the morning getting the kids ready for school. Every once in a while I'll go through my LinkedIn connections and I'll check, okay, this person wants to be my friend, so if they want to be my friend, I accept it, and then I have a template of a message to send them. Hey, thanks for adding us to LinkedIn. Change the name. Thanks for adding us to LinkedIn. If you're having an event, we can have you covered for bartenders, portable bars, event rentals, blah, blah, blah. Then I've got all the websites on there, and then I just send it off. Moving on.
So you're probably asking, how do you advertise? How don't you advertise is the real way to put it. Advertise every way that you possibly can. Today, I know I'm going to be handing out flyers, because flyers is just another way to advertise. I've got a photo booth flyer. It looks kind of flashy. And then I've got a rental flyer. I don't know how much I like it anymore, but yeah, I've got it, and they're going out. So there's no sense in why I can't put them all out, because if I don't, then it's just missed opportunity for me.
Stay in the right 3 lanes.
And I should stay in the right 3 lanes. I don't know, there's something about flyering, and when you hand a flyer to someone and their face lights up, it's exhilarating. And I get this rush, and I feel like, all right, this is doing something, and I'm hungry for bookings and events. So you got to be hungry, go out there and get that money.
Moving on.
So Kijiji ads, I have found to be, or Craigslist as well in the States, I have found to be quite lucrative for smaller rentals. If somebody's looking for 40 chairs and 10 tables, it may not add up, but it made me a lot of money last summer. Or it does add up. It made me a lot of money last summer. So post a lot of these ads and do them all separately. So the key, your ads will pop up in more places if you use keywords, is what I'm basically saying. To mention in the ad, we also offer tables, chairs, tents, and therefore your ad will pop up in more different searches. Try and use different pictures for each ad, because if you reuse the same pictures over and over again in the ads, potentially they will flag you in the algorithm.
Moving on. Okay, guys, thanks for watching my video, and make sure and sub to the channel and smash that like button. Okay, but here's the deal. When I was in high school, I used to be a professional breakdancer, and I was pretty darn good. So if I can get to 50 subscribers, then I will do 50 seconds of breakdancing on video for you. And I'm pretty good, or I used to be. So sub to the channel if you want to see me do that. All right, thanks for watching.